Hey everyone, this is Ben Ramos here with EPV Screens at the CEDIA Expo here in Dallas, Texas. Right here we're showcasing our Darkstar Max UST floor rising screen, which is a CLR screen. It rejects ambient light from above, the ceiling, and as you can see, it gives a nice clear picture and image with all this light around here. This is a semi-portable screen that retracts from its casing. It's an electric, so all you do is with a push of a button to the remote, it comes up, simple as that. Not in use, you just bring it back down. And here's an example that I want to show you. This is a matte material, matte white material, and as you can see, it's a different colors. You see it's a different contrast. You see the whites and the black pop out more, so you can see there the comparison right there. There you go. So this is one of the things we're focusing on more. It's a UST projector screen, so it only works specifically designed for ultra short throw projectors, and the technology of material allows this right here. So for more information, just visit at www.epvscreens.com. Thank you.